Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy kulfi. First, let's prepare our rich kulfi base. Combine 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk in a saucepan. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring continuously for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it slightly thickens and coats the back of your spoon beautifully. This creates a wonderfully creamy foundation for our unique dessert. Now for the magical cotton candy infusion. Once your kulfi base has cooled for about 15 minutes, add 1 cup of your favorite cotton candy directly into the warm mixture. Watch as it melts and blends, imparting its unique flavor and a lovely aroma. Stir until it's completely dissolved and smooth. For an extra visual treat, you can add a few drops of pink food coloring to achieve that classic cotton candy hue. With our flavored base ready, it's time to freeze our kulfi to perfection. Carefully pour the cotton candy kulfi mixture into your chosen kulfi molds or small, freezer-safe cups. Remember to insert kulfi sticks or wooden skewers into each mold before freezing. Place them in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours. For the best, firmest texture, I recommend freezing them overnight. Patience is key for this delightful treat. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, serving your delicious cotton candy kulfi. To easily unmold, briefly dip each mold in warm water for about 10 seconds. Then, gently pull the kulfi out by its stick. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with a small, fluffy piece of fresh cotton candy or a sprinkle of finely chopped pistachios. Serve immediately and savor this unique, creamy, and whimsical dessert you've created.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.